The African Union Commission will accompany all the efforts in the region in coordination with multilateral and bilateral initiatives for the stability of the Great Lakes region, and the Commission has organized a tripartite summit with the representatives of ECOWAS, ICGLR, and SADC, as well as the Eastern African Community, in order to deal with the concerns of the region, in order to work and having more regional and coordination, taking into account the advantages and the conditions of each member state.